Good morning, international news from London. Graviton International proudly presents the 3rd World Dental and Oral Health Congress, which will take place on Saturday the 13th of July 2019 at the Holiday Inn, London, Kensington. It has a fantastic speaker lineup with world-class dentists addressing on the key topics in the field of dentistry. This conference provides an opportunity for dentists, dental students and academicians from all across the world to participate at this conference and also present a scientific paper or poster. A special thanks to all our sponsors and supporters who have contributed to make this event a grand success. A special thanks to Nuvola Clear Aligners for sponsoring this congress once again. Let's listen about the world's leading new clear aligner from Italy, which is winning the international aligner market.
Nuvola Clear Aligners offer a strong commercial package to dentists looking for an alternative source of clear aligners. Product, service, and prices are all exceptional. High quality product, outstanding service delivering a 3D video, fully online case management, highly competitive prices. We have 20 years production experience in orthodontics, free courier collection and delivery service.
Graviton International are delighted to host the IAE and British Dental Awards at the UK Parliament, the one and only international award recognising international dentists and dental solution providers from around the globe. Nominations are closing soon. Please visit www.iaeawards.com for more details.